No, it's like, we are going to Christmas shop today.
We are?
This one. What about this one?
Okay.
What about this one?
Are you gonna do something? Kitty kitty?
That's right.
What? Whack.
Well,
It has an A.
I know, but it's got this one makes a sound. Is that what? No, it ain't, is it?
No.
It's what? I want some candy. This one. I bet you know this one.
Your show's moving.
Bet you know this one. That's right. Put the R on it. You're. That does mean the same thing as you are. But the word is your.
What? You're going Christmas shopping, are you?
Who's this?
Kitty kitty.
What about this one? Or.
What was that?
You got two more. Is that, no, that's weird. Weird. But you got really close.
What? Where are Christmas?
This is the girl one. It means useless. What's this one mean?
I know. Means good dad.
Hey, look, this is close.
Doctor.
Right. That means
DR.
doctor.
DR means doctor.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Go over there and do your schoolwork.
Oh, well, right now we're in transition, Kayla.
Oh.
But she was able to read this many of those words. Wow. Only this many she needed help with. That's good. Yeah, that's pretty good.
You're making that contract.
Alrighty. Here's the sight word section. You better watch that cat screen. Barbara had to get up, and then when Barbara was coming across her, she grabbed Barbara's leg. Yeah, wow.
Wild kitty.
Yeah, she's wanting to play.
She doesn't.
Kitty kitty.
Oh no, everybody knows that, honey. She's just
Hi, come inside.
playing. I give up.
Kitty
I
kitty.
don't like it.
Thank
I
you.
don't like that one.
What did Santa Claus say? Did you get it all straightened out?
Yeah,
You're doing good. Proud of you.
she did her work.
Yep.
Give her another chance.
He's a pretty good old dude. Santa's a pretty good old dude.
We got tape on the back. It's from his cat tail yesterday.
Where's it at?
On the bottom of the I don't know. There you go. Meow.
I'm keeping that part of my shirt clean.
Weird. Here. Alright, Miss Andrea, this is our next instruction. It says, listen closely to the words I say. The secret sound is in the middle of each word. Tell me what sound you hear in the middle of the word. Okie dokie. Ready? Okay, I'm going to say about